Welcome to Go in Simple Steps tutorial series. I'm Emmanuel, and my goal for this series is to break down and explain Go concepts in a way that is easy for beginners and even non-programmers to understand. At the end of each concept, there is a challenge to help you practice and reinforce what you've learned. So in order to write and run Go code, you basically need two setups. You need Go and a code editor. So to download and install Go, go to dev/dl and download the installer for your operating system. For me, that would be this one because I'm running on a Windows machine. Once your download is complete, just install it as you would any other software. Next, you'd want to install a code editor. There's a plethora of options when it comes to code editors, but for this tutorial series, we'll use Visual Studio Code. It's absolutely free. If you'd like to use it, go to code.visualstudio.com and download the installer for your operating system. Again, it's showing download for Windows because I'm running a Windows machine, but there are other installers for other operating systems. Once your download is complete, again, just install it on your computer. Once you're done installing Go and Visual Studio Code, you'd want to check your Go installation. We will do this using the inbuilt terminal of Visual Studio Code. So just open Visual Studio Code and click here, just at the bottom left of the screen, these icons to open the panel. And after that, just click on Terminal to open the inbuilt terminal. So to confirm your Go installation, just type Go version. Right, as you can see, it shows that I have Go version 1.20 installed. That's good. Next, you would want to install the Go extension for Visual Studio Code. To do that, just click on this extension icon here, and then in the search box, type Go. Let's wait for that just a couple of seconds. Okay, great. You'd want to install this option here, the one by Go Team at Google. So just click on it. That would show a page that looks like this. But for me, I already have this installed. That's why you're seeing disable and uninstall. But for you, it would be install. So just click on the blue install button and wait a couple seconds for the installation to complete. And that's it. So now that we have our setup ready, let's dive into the concepts.